Wow, welcome back to TIMTOS 2025. And I guess you're looking probably at that massive component behind me. We'll find out about it in just a little bit. We're here on the HONOR SEIKI stand. You're the general manager. Who are HONOR SEIKI?
Okay, HONOR SEIKI was set up 38 years ago, and the founder is my father, and he's the technical guy. So in the recent years, we just focus on vertical lathe and the solutions that vertical lathe can provide.
Absolutely, and I guess that brings us to why you brought this component on the stand. What is it? And then we'll talk about how you make it.
So because we are the partner of our customers, so customers send this piece to our factory as a test turning. So this part is the windmill gears. So by this windmill gears can rotate and also include install the bearing inside. So but this is customer process, and we test turning, we make this piece for them.
Absolutely. So the piece comes in with these serrations, these splines already made, and the ring comes in hardened. Yes. And then which features do you machine on your machine?
Mainly we machining, turning is the raceway. The technology of raceway is we call a hot turning. The reason why we call hot turning is because before traditional process is one turning and one grinding. But right now, use our vertical lathe with the technology of hot turning, just need one vertical lathe, then we can finish in one process. So it means by this process, we can reach the same accuracy, same roughness of the traditional grinding. So by this way, customer will save minimum 30% of machine cycle time. The investment minimum reduce 50% of the investment. So this is the latest technology in this world.
Brilliant. So putting this component straight on an HONOR SEIKI vertical lathe means you can take it, send it after that straight into assembly.
Absolutely. So customers love this technology. And more customers, not only German, but also American, we are using this technology to replace a lot of process.
Brilliant. So that's reducing the cost of wind turbine production around the world here at HONOR SEIKI.